guys, this is me, Adash here, and welcome back to another episode of Adash and Plushies Unboxing. Yes, you think you're wondering? Yes, last episode we did, it was the Winkers and Wonkers host the last time, but it didn't go well because the first copy didn't work for some reason. And now we are gonna try again, but we got the main guys back, so yeah. And say hello, guys. Hello there. Hello, everybody.
Hello, this is me. Sorry, hello, it's me, Krabby Rabbit.
Me, Bendy, and the ink machine of me and the dad say Jamie.
Okay. And hello, everybody. It's me, Waluigi.
And me, a Wario. Hello, everybody. This is me, Kermit the Frog. Hello, this is me, the Eggman here. Hello, this is me, Potato Spaghetti. And me, Doris, everybody. Hello. Hello, this is Mr. Krabs. Hello, everybody. Hi there, it's me, Rolf the dog. Hello, this is me, Emma Monster. I'm me, okay.
Hello, guys, this is me, Yoshi. Hello, this is me, Rectangle Pets.
Hello, everybody, it's me, Cookie Monster here. Ah. Hello, everybody, it's me, Pikachu. And me, Muchacho. And me, obviously, Mr. Bear. So, shall we open this package? I think so.
Okay, wait, what's it say? I know an egg cream. We'll find it in the stick.
Yeah, obviously, a Pikachu can fit off. Oh, I'm coming back up here anyway. Alright, let's open this package. Let's see what's inside.
I got no way.
Yeah, let's see what's inside of the package. Alright, let's open it. Obviously, we get the scissors. Alright. So, we get the scissors. I think so. Alright. Let me just cut this package. There's nothing in it. Oh, okay, what's this on? Yeah. Alright. It's not a PS3 game, is it? Nope. And there's the DS game! Which DS game is it? It is! Hold on, if I can open the package correctly. It is. Not good, Papa. It is WarioWare Touched! Oh yes! We will be wanting that game, and we finally got it. Wario!
Hey, Wario, look! What's this way?
Oh, cookie. Oh, I almost fell. Oh, it's this. Yeah, what we have? Oh, thank you. Just sit over there. Alright. Huh? Wait! Wario, you're not gonna believe this.
What's it doing? What is it doing?
Your Wario game is here. Your game is here. Oh yeah! It's a WarioWare! Yes! And we are gonna showcase these. We're gonna showcase my game. Yup. And Wario, you gonna do this one? Yeah, obviously, when it's my game, obvious. Alright. First we got the front away. That's me and touching on the nose. And why is it yellow for some reason? I don't know why. Yeah, I think the North American version has the orange. Oh, I see why. But there's a stylus, and there's a front, and the spine, and the back. There's only me at the back. really worry you? Be quiet, man. It really didn't. Since we got the micrograms like that, we got the micrograms. And let's see what's inside. I got the manual. I got the booklet. We're not gonna read all of this. Alright then. And we got the cartridge. So, and this is it. I think so, mate. I think so. Oh yes, that's about to cut the video.
Yep, so let's end it now. Let's end up this episode.
Yeah, good idea. Simon here. Alrighty then.
I really liked it. I really liked it. I really liked it.
Yeah, I agree, Craig. I agree. Yeah, I definitely agree for myself, but...
So I'll show you the here.
Oh, this is cream.
Okay then.
Yeah, let's end it off. Alrighty then. So, you're gonna end up the episode? Oh, yeah, you're right, Mojo. I went off. Let me just do this. So, if you enjoyed this episode of Alice and Plushies unboxing, we might do another episode because there's a second copy on the way, but we'll find out there's another second copy of the game will arrive, but we'll find out. So, if you enjoy it, please leave a like and comment. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I'll be seeing you next time for some more Adash and Plushies unboxing. So, bye!